Hello everyone, welcome to Creative Learn channel. Today we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of bigger numbers. Okay, here children are doing bigger additions and subtractions in class. Okay, their teacher Jyoti teacher wrote this problem on the board. Okay, their teacher wrote a problem on the board. What is the problem? 2987 plus 3451. What is the answer? She wrote on the board. This is the problem. She wrote on the board. Okay. Here, John did it like this. So, John did like this way. And Karuna did same problem like this way. Let's see who did the right one. First one. Here, 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. 8 plus 5 means 13. 13 means 3 remains here and 1 remains carry. And 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 means 4 remains here and 1 remains carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So total answer 6438. John did like this. Now, Karuna. She done like 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 means 3 remains here. But 1 remains carry. But she can't keep. She didn't keep it. Next what done? 9 plus 4, 13. 3 remains here. 1 remains carry. And here she didn't consider the carry from this 13. And here also she didn't consider the carry, means she didn't have the carry. So this problem is wrong. And here 2 plus 3 means 5, but she wrote 6. So totally this way is the wrong. Karuna did in wrong way. Okay, let's see here. Who has done the problem incorrectly? Who done problem incorrectly? Karuna done problem incorrectly. Discuss the reason for the mistake with your friends. Because she didn't consider the carries. That's why she got the wrong answer. But John did in right way. So what is the answer? 6438 is the right answer. Next. The teacher then wrote their another problem on the board. The teacher then wrote another problem on the board. Means addition completed. Now she asked about subtraction. 4617 minus 1978. This is the problem she wrote on the board. Now students done like Pooja did it like this and Vamshi did it like this. Okay. Who done the right one? Let's see. First, 7 minus 8. Not possible. 7 minus 8. Not possible. Then, Pooja took borrow. How much? 10. 10 borrow came means 7 plus 10. It became 17. Now, 17 minus 8 means 9. Here, what remains? Only 1 there, but from this one she took borrow, so nothing is there. Now 0 minus 7 not possible. Then take the borrow, means here Pooja took the borrow. How much comes? 10 comes. Now 10 minus 7 means it is 3. Now here what remains? 6 there. From this one she took borrow. So how much remains? 5 remains. 5 minus 9 not possible. Then again she took the borrow. How much came? 10 came. 10 plus 5, 15. Now 15 minus 9 it is 6. Here 4 there. From 4 she took borrow. So how much remains? 3 remains. Now 3 minus 1, 2. What is the answer? 2639, and this total solution is the right one. Now what about Vamshi? Let's see. 7 minus 8, not possible. Then he took the borrow. How much? 10. So 10 plus 7, 17. 17 minus 8, 9. Up to here, right only. Next, here, 1 there. But from 1, he took the borrow. So what remains? 0 remains. So 0 minus 7, not possible. Then again he took the borrow. How much? 10. 10 minus 7, it is 3. Next, here what remains? 5 remains. 5 minus 9, not possible. Again he took the borrow. How much came? 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 minus 9, it is 6. Next, here what remains? 4 there. From 4, he took the borrow. So what remains here? 3 remains. 3 minus 1, we can get 2. But what he wrote? 3. So this is the wrong one. And this is the right one. Okay, let's see here. Who has done the problem incorrectly? Who done the problem incorrectly? Vamshi done the problem incorrectly. Why? Because he didn't consider the borrow here. So this is the wrong one. We have one table. It is about population of some villages in Rajanna Siricilla district. It is the table containing about population of some villages from which district? Rajanna Siricilla. Let's see here. Here village names given, and in that village what is the male population, what is the female population, and we have to identify the total population. Let's see. First village, Chirlavansa. What is the male population? 2595. Female population 2682. Now we have to identify the total population. Let's write here. Okay, let's add these two. 2595. 2682. Now we have to add these two. First, 5 plus 2, 7. 9 plus 8, 17. Means 7 right here and 1 remains, carry. And here 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 means 2 right here, 1 remains, carry. Next, 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So what is the population of, total population of Chirlavansa? 5277. Let's write here. 277. Next, Tadur village. What is the male population of Tadur village? 3135. Female population 3191. Now we have to identify the total population. Let's add these two. 135 plus 3191. Now we have to add these two. 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 9, 12. Means 2 right here. And 1 remains carry. Now 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So what is the total population of Taduru? 6,326. Let's write here answer. Six thousand 326. Next village, Pedduru. What is the male population of Pedduru? 1,372. What is the female population of Pedduru? 1,349. Now we have to find out the total population. Let's add these two. 372 plus 1,349. Add this two. 2 plus 9, 11. Means 1 remains here and 1 remains carry. Now 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Means 2 right here, 1 remains carry. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 1 plus 1, 2. So what is our answer? 2,721. Let's write here. 2,721. Next village, Sarampalli. What is the male population here? 1,027. What is the female population? 971. Now we have to find out the total population. Let's add these two. 1,027 plus 971. Add these two. 7 plus 1, 8. 2 plus 7, 9. 0 plus 9 means 9. And here 1. So what is the total population of Sarampalli? 1,998. Let's write here. 98. Okay. This is the total population of Sarampalli. Okay. Total male population from 4 villages. What is the total male population from 4 villages? Let's add here. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 7, 19. So, right here. 19 means 9 right here. 1 remains carry. Now, 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 7, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. Means 2 remains carry. Now here 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 3 11, means 1 right here and 1 remains, carry. Now 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8, right here. So what is the total male population from 4 villages? 8129. Female population, let's see, let's add here. First 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 9 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13 means 3 right here and 1 remains, carry. Now 1 plus 8 9, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 4 22, 22 plus 7 29, means 9 right here, 2 right here. Now 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 9 21, means 1 right here, 2 right here. Now 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8. What is the total female population from 4 villages? 8193. Now what is the total population? Let's see here. Here 9 means we have to add the male population and female population. Let's add here. Nine plus 3 means 12, means 2 right here, 1 remains, carry. Now 2 plus 9 11, 11 plus 1 12, means again 2 right here, 1 remains, carry. Now 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3. Next 8 plus 8 16. So what is the total population from 4 villages? 16,322.
ఈ వీడియోను వీక్షించినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మా తదుపరి వీడియోలను వీక్షించడానికి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ అవర్ వీడియో. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్.